So you decided to be a DJ. And before you start, watch out these 5 common mistakes that can ruin your set. Avoiding these mistakes can help you build a successful DJ career. Number 1, and it's poor track selection. Playing the wrong track at the wrong time. If you play slow songs when people want to dance, you will lose their interest very fast. You need to read the vibe of the party. Know your audience and build a playlist that can fit the crowd's energy. Keep a mix of songs so you are ready for everything. Always prepare songs that fit the type of party. Some for dancing, some for chilling, slow dance. This way you are ready for any mood. Number 2, and it's quite typical, not being prepared. If your setup takes too long and there is silence between songs, you will kill the vibe. If you are not ready to start right away, or your music cuts off, the party energy drops and people lose interest easily. Before starting your set, check all important things like cables connected. For this, arrive early, set up your gear, and do a quick sound check. Make sure everything works before the crowd shows up. Make sure everything is plugged in and working before the party starts. This keeps energy up and shows that you are professional. Number 3, not practicing enough. Bad transitions or offbeat mixes will confuse the crowd and break the flow. If you don't practice your transitions, your music can sound offbeat or awkward, making it hard for people to keep dancing. Spend some time practicing at home so you can mix your songs confidently during your set. The more you practice, the smoother your set will be. Get comfortable with the gear and songs you play. Number 4, using too many effects. Overloading your set with effects can ruin your music and make people go home earlier. You should understand, crowd wants to listen to original music with minimum amount of effects from your side. Keep effects simple. The best way to use them is before drops or chorus. Mistake number 5. And avoiding this mistake can actually help you connect more with your crowd. Ignoring people's requests. Not listening to the crowd can make them feel disconnected from your set. Ignoring people who ask for songs can make them feel you are not really paying attention for the vibe they want. Kindly get requests. If it works, play it. If not, be polite and stay focused, keeping the music that actually works. Avoid these 5 mistakes, and your set will be more professional and way more fun for you and the crowd. If you're a DJ, drop your own story in the comments below. Let us know what mistakes you had and how you avoided them. Thanks for watching till the end. I'll see you next time.